If you have a house in Salem, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Salem, and I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Salem prefer to work with us instead of working with a traditional buyer that might need to qualify for some kind of loan or a mortgage. So with us, we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. That means there's no work for you to do whatsoever. You don't got to fix anything or hire a handyman or go to the Home Depot or clean anything, and you don't got to haul anything away. So anything that you want out of the house you can take. Anything that you don't want or don't need you can leave behind, and we'll take care of it for you. And we've been buying houses in and around the area for a long time. We've bought it all, seen it all, so there's no job too big or too small for us. We're absolutely able to buy your house in its as-is condition because we're going to pay cash for the house. That's the biggest difference between us and then some kind of traditional buyer that needs to qualify for a loan. With a traditional buyer that needs to qualify for a loan, they're going to send through a formal inspector and they're going to scrutinize your house. It's very intrusive. They're going to test every outlet, light switch, and ceiling fan. They're going to open and close every door and window, compile pages and pages of everything wrong with your house that can only be used against you to renegotiate for them to get a discount or a better deal, and you're jumping through hoops. Right? Because then if you survive this inspection, it gets worse because now they got to send an appraiser through. And the appraiser, oftentimes, they represent the bank, not you, and they're looking for any reason to pull the rug out from under this thing and send you back to square one and completely waste your time. But in real estate, it's not just time that's wasted, it's your money, because every single day that goes by where they didn't close and they wasted your time, you're still paying for the utilities, you're still paying for the insurance and the property taxes. It's overall just a huge opportunity cost. And if this traditional buyer is working with a realtor or a broker and they want you to pay real estate commissions, that's coming right off of your bottom line. With us, you're not going to have to deal with any of this at all. We're a direct buyer. There's no fancy language or fine print. We're a cash buyer, and we're going to give you a fair price. So if you have a house in Salem or anywhere in the area and you want to at least see what your options are, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Yes, it says Columbus in the website. We're founded in Columbus, but we're very familiar with Salem and all surrounding areas. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and know more about when you're wanting to close. If you need something done fast, we can make it happen fast because it's cash. If you need more flexibility and want to set a future date, we can accommodate your needs there as well. We're going to make you a fair cash offer, and if our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward and get this thing done. If our offer doesn't work for you, we'll simply shake hands and part as friends. There's never going to be any added pressure, sales tactics, gimmicks, or games. We're not a call center. We're here locally. We're not like one of those foreign call centers in a distant land that's sending you text messages and cold calls saying they want to buy your house in Salem, even though they've never even been to Ohio. Maybe they're not even in the United States. It's a huge gimmick. Avoid that and work with a local, reputable company. That's exactly what we are. And we're happy to talk to you and at least explore options. Even if you're thinking about selling your house in Salem at some point in the near future, let's at least talk through some options and see what we can do. So our number, once again, is 614-300-5151, and you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.